Hello guys, and as you can see this is Pro Gamer 1 and I'm just going to be doing a quick video for you on the Budgies. So yeah, as you can see that's them there, if you can hear them. So yeah, these are a few eggs that are not hatched, so that's my plan of an aviary. I'm just going to show you these quickly, not going to really talk now. So 3 eggs, the male, female. Got the male, female there, and then the male. I haven't got any eggs at the moment. So that's the female and the male. That's the female there, exhibition. That's the male. And there's my quail, my 2. That's my baby here in there. He's my another one that I built, and that's my quail. So yeah, that was a really quick video. So yeah, thanks for watching that, guys. Thanks.